Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to Master Feeds at 90540 London Road. Alarm company is advising of a fire alarm at that location in Zone 7, the fire control panel. Key holders are pending. Again, that's Master Feeds at 90540 London Road for a fire alarm. Time of first page, 5:37:49. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to 90540 London Road at Master Feeds for a fire alarm at that location. It's a Zone 7 fire control room alarm with key holders pending. Your crossroads will be Bach Line and Glenannon Road. Again, that's 90540 London Road at Master Feeds for a fire alarm. Time of second page is 5:38:57. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
Car 2 acknowledges page for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station will be responding shortly.
That's Roger, Car 2. You're acknowledging page 53926. Fire dispatch to Car 2.
Go ahead, dispatch, this is Car 2.
I just wanted to advise of an update. The alarm company called. They spoke with the key holder, Phil Miller. He's advising it's a false alarm, but he has not indicated a cancellation.
Yeah, roger that. We'll just proceed, code 1.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2 is responding, code 1 to Master Feeds.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
You can show Car 2's on scene at Master Feeds. Nothing showing. We'll be trying to make contact with on-site staff.
That's Roger, Car 2. You're on scene. Nothing showing. We're attempting to make contact with staff. It's 5:50:30.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2.
Made contact with on-site staff. Confirm it's a false alarm. Car 2's clear and scene. Return to station.
That's Roger, Car 2. You've made contact with staff. You've confirmed it's a false alarm. You're clear and returning. Time is 5:53:18.